Hello, my friends. This is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? I'm here to share my organization of my craft room with you. I have been doing the reorganization of my craft room over the last, has it been like 6 months or something? It's been a long time. But I just been doing a little bit at a time as I had time each week, and I really like that type of organization. I feel like I'm getting something done, and in the end, I finally get done. I feel like I'm done reorganizing it at this point. So I might just come to you. I don't know if it'll be every week, but it might be. I've been doing these videos on Sunday and show you, the state of my craft room. That way it will motivate to keep it clean right now. How to maintain your organization maybe will be the next step. But let me show you what I showed you last week was a bag. It was a grocery bag, paper grocery bag, one of the regular sizes, full of stuff that from my Thrifty Thursdays that I hadn't put away. And I kind of forgot about that one because I had a box also and another bag like that I already put away. And that one was in the other room. And I kind of forgot about it. It was just kind of sitting there minding its own business. And I just it became part of the decor or something. I just kind of ignored it and forgot about it. But then I realized it was there. So this week I put that away. I'll show you what's left. And I'll show you, how my craft room looks this week. So here's what's left. These things I think I'm going to list. Oops, there's my receipt. Is that from Walmart? I don't know. I scan my receipts on an app that gives me money back. So I always keep my receipts or get a receipt. If they ask me if I want a receipt, I say yes because I scan my receipts and I get points toward money that I get back in the long run when they add up to certain amounts. But anyway, so these are some books that were in that bag that I thought I would list. Super cute little books. That one. And I've shown you these before in my Thrifty Thursday, but this one is really neat as far as the age of it. It's kind of encyclopedia style, but it's a dictionary, and so that back part would look like encyclopedia style. Then here we go with different types of, probably grammar and spelling. So really neat old book. It's not perfect, but it's in decent shape, especially if you're going to take it apart, you know what I mean? So I might put this in my shop for a little, not very much. It will be inexpensive. And then this little shape book, Santa Claus, I might put that in there. Probably will. And this handyman book, because I made one into a journal, and I think I have another one to make into a journal. So this is another one that I found. I think these are super cool, especially if you want to make it into a journal. And I did a retro because of that. I love this cover, and the inside and everything is really cool in these. So I did a retro journal. I don't know if you remember that, but it was fun. And yeah, that was fun. So if you want to make that into a journal, that's going to go in my shop if you would like to get that. But let me go around the room here real quick. I still have these here, which I want to decorate. If I don't do it soon, I might have to put these away, but I want to tackle that. I'm not saying I'm going to do it this week, so because I have some other projects going on, which I will show you. I am working on my cart. I showed you that. And so this was in the bottom of my cart and it's finished yet. And I'm going to do a separate video and show you what I made here. I'm finishing up my December journal, and I'll show you this little swatch paper later on too. So I worked on that this week. And let me turn around here. I've got my journal, my project cart here, which has my current journal I'm working on. Some pages from that journal, so not very much here. You see, there's not very much in here. And then I'm working on this bottom part. I want to clear that out. That is the goal. So I'm still working on that, but I did quite a lot of work on it this past week. So that's a work in progress. So I'm going to keep working on that. And then I thought everything else is pretty much the same. This is another project I started. I'll just give you a little sneak peek there. And I'll do a separate video on that too. But that's a fun little project I'm working on. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that cover. I'll show it to you later in another video. But the thing I thought about this week was my scrap box, and I always go to it. I always go to it first to look for papers if I need a little this, a little that, or whatever. Even a big piece, I always look in here first. But I don't have a lot of big pieces in here. See it down in here? There's a lot of little pieces in here. I just added these embossed pieces because I just made those as kind of experimenting with my new embossing folder. There's some packaging, calendars, all kind of stuff. But down in here, just like so many little pieces. So I thought maybe I would make it a goal this week to kind of sort through here and figure out, because I always kind of take the bigger pieces out and I kind of never use these pieces down in here, all these little pieces. So I want to go through here and see if I can do any type of sorting and figure out, like, is there anything I want to get rid of, and that type of thing. So that's gonna be my goal, my organizing goal for this week, is to go through. This is my only scrap box. I know some people have boxes and boxes, and they do have them sorted into different, like small, medium, large, whatever, some stuff like that, or even colors. But I like having one box, and not, then I don't have to store any more boxes. And if it does, I don't know. I do use my scraps a lot, so maybe that's why I only have one box. But anyway, that's going to be my organizing project for this week, just to go through this bunch of scraps and see what I can do with it, as far as use it, get rid of it, sort it, all of the above. So that is it for this week. I hope you've been enjoying my organizing videos, and I think you have. And so I want to, this really motivates me to keep my room clean here and organized. So I want to keep doing this and coming and reporting to you so that I can be held accountable. I want you all to hold me accountable here. So I will see you. Let me take the view off my off my scrap box there and leave you with a prettier view. The winter view in North Carolina outside my window here with all the leaves and the bare trees. But anyway, I will see you in my next video, and I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Hey, Happy New Year, by the way. I'll see you later.